Hi, for today's video I'm going to show you the basic of gardening. So if you're planning to start your own container gardening at home, this is the perfect place for you today. So because for today I'm going to show you what are the things that you need and what are you going to do enable for you to have your own gardening at home. What is the garden basically? Garden is where, in simple terms, it's where we get our food, where we grow our own food at home. Anywhere you live, you can do your own gardening by just using a container. So in container gardening, there are three things that you need to consider. Number one is the soil. Why soil? Because the soil is very essential, and whatever gardening you do, and be it for container, be it for bed gardening, be it for any type of gardening, you need to have soil. Because soil is where the plant absorbs its food, where the plant lives, and where the plant gets its food to grow. And then the second one is the container, of course. The container, you can use any container at home, whatever you like. And for purposes of this video, we are going to use this type of container. It's called terracotta. It's 6 by 7 inches, which I thought it would be perfect for the plant that we are going to grow here in the garden. As you can see in my background, these are terracotta pots, and it was I planted these beans a month ago, and they're just perfect for this type of container, and this container is the only available here in the garden, so we have to use this type of container. And the third one is, of course, you need to have a plant, any type of plant that you would like to grow at home. And yeah, let's go ahead and fill the container with the soil. This is the pot that I mentioned earlier, which is terracotta. So the number one thing is we have to fill in the container with the soil. This is how it looks when you put soil in a container. It would be nice to identify first the plant that you are going to grow. For this for now, we are going to use this petchai, the seedlings of petchai. So first thing that we have to do is we have to take out one of them, and this one, and then plant it this way. Planting it, the next thing that you have to do is to water it. So these are the petchai that were planted on a container. As you can see here, these are a day old. After 2 weeks, this is how they look. Then you have to wait for 2 weeks longer so that they will grow a little bit bigger before you harvest them. And there you go. After harvesting them, then you have a food on the table. Is this video helpful? Please don't forget to subscribe on our channel. We are a small garden and we're trying to create videos that would help others. So and of course press that bell button so that you will be notified on our next video. See you around. Bye for now.